Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. This morning I want to show you a job we're doing. It's a little bit different than anything that we normally do. We ran a Dyma-Brush. It's a tool rental that you can get from Home Depot. There's a removal tool that removes mastic, glues, things like that off of a garage floor. It can be used on any type of flooring. It's for a specific type of concrete, so there are several different types of concretes that will not work for this Dyma-Brush, but nonetheless, it's almost like a floor polisher. And what we're doing today or yesterday is we removed the blue staining so that the homeowner can come in and paint acrylic on top of it. And what happens is if you lay acrylic down on a painted old surface, it's going to look good, but a year or three, it's going to bubble up and flake off. So we had to scratch the surface up enough to create a porous surface so that the paint would stick to it. So now this video is about going above and beyond. Now, I had a homeowner come out that wants me to do her pool enclosure, her walkway, her driveway. They're right across the street. You can see this house here, that house. So we'll be doing that house in the near future, which I'm really excited about. That's really cool. One of the perks of being on the job and being out in the field is that you're able to be seen. And so we're gonna go over and estimate that job after I do this. Now, yesterday I planned to run that Dyma-Brush, get that blue up off there. I wanted a full creamy white surface, but unfortunately the blades were a little bit old. And so we made the best out of what we could do. And we talked to some professional painters and they say, yeah, absolutely, that's gonna stick, no problem. So we did a good job. We had to clean up. There was a lot of dust. There were some things that if you want to learn more, feel free to give me a call, 386-453-4213. I can tell you some helpful advantage points to running this piece of equipment, because it's really, the thing can get out of control, and they have a mind of their own. So, but above and beyond. So when I arrived at the job yesterday, the garage was supposed to be completely emptied out and clean, and there were cabinets, trim, tile, old paint. An entire 6x10 trailer was filled up with the leftover goodies. In addition to, there were cabinets that were bolted to the wall. So what I did was I helped load the trailer, and then I also helped break down all those cabinets. Now, unfortunately, I didn't bring my drill, but I have all the hand tools that I would need, all the ratchet sets that I would need. So we were able to unfasten those from the wall, and they were 4-inch lag bolts. I mean, there were some really deep, really heavy bolts that were being put on there. So what I'm gonna do is take you on a quick walk through there. Once again, Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. You can reach me at 386-453-4213, serving all of Volusia County, right here in Ormond by the Sea, Florida. That's 386-453-4213. Make sure you give me some advance notice. I can get you on our calendar, get you scheduled for a free estimate, and we'll get you out as soon as possible. So what I'm gonna do is take you for a quick walk through the garage here and show you, those are some of the cabinets that we unbolted from the wall. We're getting set up. We're going to lay our sodium hypochlorite and our surfactant down. We're going to surface clean this garage with our 20-inch surface cleaner sitting right over there. That's 4 gallons a minute at 4,000 PSI. And we're going to run a high pressure ball valve and then a rinse process. So you can see here the floor, the old paint, the entire floor was this blue color all the way through. And what we did was we scratched the surface up enough. Ideally, you want it to look just like this. The entire floor should look just like that. But I literally ran that thing straight for 6 hours. I was here for 8 hours, and that's the absolute best that could be done. This is the area that where all the cabinets were in. So we took all those cabinets apart. One of the things I want to show you guys is this morning I got here and I had a trailer in my way. Right where I need to bring all my equipment in. So I helped the painters unload 125 boxes of flooring and carried them up the stairs, and I'll show you what those look like. Now those are spread out throughout the house. There's 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, and each one of those bedrooms has 25 or 15 count. So that was 125 boxes we had to hook. Fortunately, I also do sound and lighting for a theater, and I've been unloading trucks. I work as basically a stage hand. I work in sound and lighting, and what we do, it doesn't matter what department you're in. You always meet everybody outside, 65-man call. You guys meet the trucks on the docks and you unload all the road cases. Once you get the amount of cases on stage, then you split up into your different departments. So I knew all about running a daisy chain, so I put everybody in line. I had 4 painters and a contractor, and we got this thing done in about 45 minutes. Everybody was sweating profusely. They all took a break. I kept working. So once again, guys, Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning, Ormond by the Sea, Florida. I'm gonna show you an after video. I'm getting ready to pressure clean that, bring some additional paint up off the surface, and give it a real smooth, nice finish. So thank you so much for joining me today. Thanks for coming out and checking out my videos. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning, Ormond by the Sea, Florida. Have a great day, everyone. Keep cleaning.